Hello kids! Let's learn ABC. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for carrot. D. D is for donut. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fig. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hamburger. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jelly. K. K is for kiwi. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for melon. N. N is for nectarine. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pumpkin. Q. Q is for queens. R. R is for radish. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for ugly fruit. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for letter X. Y. Y is for yogurt. Z. Z is for zebra.